Hello, my name's Emma CALDER. I'm the director of Beware of Trains. I'm really excited that the film's going to be shown in Annecy, and I love Annecy, and I've been quite a few times. I think the first time was 1987, and then I came in I think 91 and 98 with my film The Queen's Monastery, which some of you might remember. One night I dreamt that I'd murdered somebody, and I couldn't get it out of my head. And then I came into the studio and wrote down the dream. This was around about 1998. It took 22 years to get anyone to put the money into the film. So that was quite a long time. But the big thing was sorting out the story, because in a way the story had never been completely resolved. It had always been this stream of consciousness, and there was something that dissatisfied me about it. Around about 2012, I'd actually, maybe it was 11, I'd actually written another strand to the whole idea. And this was an interview with the main character, an interview with herself. So it was herself talking to herself kind of thing. Anyway, and I had never incorporated it in any way into the script. So when I had this deadline to put a proposal into the BFI, I spent about, I suppose it wasn't that long actually, 2 or 3 days putting the other thread of the idea into the script that I'd already written. And then it was just amazing. I just realised that that was what the whole idea needed. And it worked. It was fantastic. It just suddenly thought, I've really solved, the problem of how this film's communicating. And so after all those years, I felt quite confident that I had a good chance of actually getting the funding.